Hey boys, 33 standard, 9 ballin for many seasons. Let's get it done. Three in and no luck. I'll get the other ones later. You guys don't want to see that unbelievable stuff. Oh, 66s. Almost 100 spot. We have a diamond, ladies and gentlemen. Let's sell these off first and then we'll see what we get. All right, boys. We really deserve some luck, don't you think? Let's go. Blue. Of course not. Of course not. 34, 34. Woohoo. It really knocks a dent into it, doesn't it? Alright. Diamond's a diamond, they say. 7, 12. Oh, well. I just don't really believe that I'm ever going to get anything to get Otani or a Judge. I just am not going to get it. I've played them and played them and played them. I've saved them up. I've pulled them. You know. I'm just wondering if I should just go ahead and spin some of my subs and get Chipper. Although I like J-Ram. Just don't really want to spend that many stubs for a card that's not... Well, they say it'll be better than anybody else until All-Star, but... You know, I don't know if I believe that or not. 32 whole stubs. Ooh. 49. Maybe the ball unpack, so be something good. All right. This is ridiculous. 33 standards and one lousy. One lousy diamond. Woohoo! 9 ballins. What can we do? We're 0 for 1. 1787. Good lord. This is unreal. Lord have mercy. That's a gold. Unreal. Other die. This is just ridiculous. I've tried to do this every way that they told me to. That's a diamond. Okay, boys and girls. We pulled 33 standards. I pulled one diamond that was a $3,000 card. I mean, 3,000 stub card. 8 ballins, and I've got a diamond finally. Can we get a blue? Of course not. Another crap. Another crap one. Another gold.